So we have our next question. We have said given the following data at work.demo. So we have been given a screenshot of an example dataset and the name of the dataset is demo and it is present in work library. And the question is which SAS program prints only first five males in this order from the dataset? So there are males and females in this dataset and they are asking us like which of the options would give the first five males. So let us see how many males are there in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 males in total and the requirement is to print only the first 5 males of this dataset. So let us check the options one by one and see what is the correct option. So the first option, a proc sort has been used and the records are sorted based on the values of sex variable. So by default, the values get sorted in ascending fashion. For alphabets, the A comes first and Z comes at the end. So the outcome of this proc sort step would be that all the records which have a value of F would come on top and then followed by the records with a value of M. And then we are making use of a proc print and combining it with OBS is equal to dataset option. So in the out is equal to dataset, we have seen that all females would come on top because it is ordered by ascending sex values. So if we run this piece of code, what would happen is we would get the first five females, but what we needed was first five males. So this is not the correct option. So, and when we have a second option which says proc print data is equal to work.demo, OBS is equal to 5 and followed by a where statement and then run statement. So whenever we use a where statement within a procedure, only those records which meet the filter condition provided would be processed. And then we have this additional OBS is equal to dataset option has been used. So the OBS is equal to option specifies the number of observation that has to be processed. The last number of when we specify a value of 5, it means is that so process till fifth observation. Okay, so when we discuss that sex is equal to M has been used in the where statement. Only those records which meet the condition would be processed by proc print. So out of the 7 male records, the first 5 male records would be processed because of the OBS is equal to option. So this option seems to produce the correct results, but before we conclude on as this option as the right option, so let us see the other options and see why they may not be the correct options. So here we have a proc print and then work.demo. So a where is equal to dataset option has been used to filter for male records. And then again a where statement has been used and a variable named OBS has been used to filter for something. So OBS less than or is equal to 5. But if we take a look at the input dataset provided to us, we do not have any variable which is named as OBS. So this proc print step would fail at execution time saying that OBS variable is not found. So this is not the correct answer. So let us check the final option given. So here they are making use of a proc sort step to create a dataset named out and the intention seems to be sort the variables based on descending of sex values. But if we want to associate descending to a particular variable, we need to specify the descending keyword before the name of the variable. Here in this case, the descending keyword has been used after the sex variable. So this is syntactically not correct. So if the keyword descending has been used before sex, it would have brought all the male records on top and then with the proc print with OBS is equal to option would have printed the first 5 males, but the code is syntactically wrong here in this proc sort as the descending keyword is placed after the variable. As per SAS syntax, it should have been before the sex variable. So this is not the right option. So we have seen that second option is the reasonable option that could give us the required result. Let us check if that is the correct answer. Yeah. So it says our response was this proc print step with where sex is equal to m combined with OBS is equal to data option, dataset option, and the correct response was also that.